We know the flooding even left some Clarksville residents kind of on an island, stranded.
Absolutely. News Channel 5's Erin Cantrell shows us how neighborly support is helping them get by.
Wildlife is taking full advantage of washed out roads and flooded fields. On a normal day, the sounds of nature might bring a sense of calm. But for the community of Fieldstone Village Apartments on Dunlop Lane, that calm is quickly fading as the floodwaters linger.
I've never been stuck like this.
High waters kept us from reaching them on the ground.
This is what we're dealing with right now.
So Sky 5 hovered above as residents pleaded for help.
He's right above us, right there.
Right now, these community members don't want to risk their vehicles by driving through flooded streets,
We had a lot of failed attempts with regular vehicles.
which has left them stranded and running low on supplies like water and food.
This is our apartment complex. It's called Fieldstone Village. And then behind us is called the Reserve at Kirkwood, and they're all flooded over there. And then right across from us is a church, and they're all flooded over there as well.
They've been dealing with all the water for 4 days, but the positivity among them has created a ripple effect.
She said she finna go to church. Nothing's gonna keep her from God, and she gonna pray for us.
This video shows neighbors cheering as one of their own made her way across the flooded street to make it to church.
Lord help her. We tried to tell her.
Lord, she's trying to get to you.
Their uplifting spirits are helping them push through
Wade in that water, baby.
a difficult situation.
Hey, she made it!
We can use each other, like if somebody needs some tissue or some water.
As the water slowly recedes, some residents trapped between flooded streets are taking risks to get out.
Show that.
My first time exiting out.
But for those with no way out,
I just did it. You know? Nice and steady. You be safe.
hope remains that help will come soon.
We need help right now because we're stuck and we can't get out of here. Somebody can come back here and at least assist us.
In Montgomery County, Erin Cantrell, News Channel 5.
Well, we're told this area falls under both city and county jurisdiction, so it really gets confusing. But we made some calls, and the city tells us the apartments are in the county. So we reached out to Montgomery County officials for comment on this situation. We'll let you know when we hear back.